Hi everyone, welcome to Power BI Playbook. So today I'm going to bring a beginner tutorial which I show you how to create a customized tooltip page in Power BI in a more correct way. So let's see how we can do that. So in Power BI, if you add a visual, something like that, and then if you add country and let's say sales. So this is the default outlook of tooltip. So if you hover, so this is how the tooltip works, but I want to add a page and convert it as a tooltip page in a more correct way. Let's see how we can do that. So now I create a page called tooltip. And in this page, the important thing is if you go to page designer and you need to convert this to allow to use as tool. This is one option that you need to set. The other important option that you need to set is in the canvas setting, the type has to set it as the tooltip. Right? Usually it comes as 16:9, but when you go to canvas settings, set it to tooltip. So then it shows a very small area for us to set the tooltip. Now we can do few things to this one. So let's say canvas background, we can set it to blue and set it the transparent as like this. And then also I can add a card visual to this one, right? So in this card visual, maybe I display the percentage, right? And also in the card visual, I set it to background as pink, right? Like that, I can do many things. Then I go to main page and then select the visual and here I come here and then I go to here the tooltip and in the page I set the tooltip page as the default for the visuals tooltip. So let's see if I hover it. So as you can see, so we can create a very customized, very nice tooltip as we want. So thank you for watching. This is for beginners and thank you for watching. Keep in touch for more Power BI videos.